Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are here to do our final semester test, which is making some kind of video in some kind of tourism. So here, me, Bagas Karyadi, and
Muhammad Ivan
and as cameraman,
Rifkal Faris.
good.
Stay tuned in this video.
Let's go.
So guys, we are now walking to the Granjing waterfall. So the distance at least 1 kilometer.
This waterfall is placed in Mojokerto and Jombang border.
So now we are arrived in this waterfall. As you can see, the waterfall behind me. But the way to the waterfall is kind of bit difficult for us. So yeah, but when you already came in the waterfall, it's worth it. Everything is paid for. Let's go.
To enter this place, the fee is still free, but we need only to pay for parking. I think this place could make your weekend colorful.
Waterfall is beautiful.
This waterfall is used by villagers to wash to clothes, take a bath, and place to hang out.
We are finished here. Let's back to parking area.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Unfortunately, the local government and the villagers have not managed this place yet. So, there are a lot of garbage and broken paths.
Okay, that's all from us. Forgive us for all of our mistakes. Last we say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See ya.